Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to preview job on Ziprecruiter. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Ziprecruiter employer account, which of course I've done right here. Now, Ziprecruiter is a job site that aims to match businesses with the right people for their open roles. Its AI matching finds and reaches out to specific job candidates to apply for your open position as soon as it goes live. So now that we know a bit of what Ziprecruiter is about, let's quickly hop into today's stack, which is how to preview job on Ziprecruiter. So from this employer account, just quickly head over to the left corner of your screen where you have this option that says post a job, dashboard, jobs, candidate, invite to apply, resume, database, messages, help, and activate. Now go ahead and click on jobs. Now once you click on jobs, you're going to find all jobs, active jobs, job, closed jobs, and job performance report. So go ahead and click on jobs. Now, this page is definitely going to display your active jobs. Okay, going to display your active jobs. So if you want to preview the job that you have posted, you can see this is a job that you have posted. So if you want to post, I've not posted this live because I don't want to subscribe to post it live. But if you want to preview it, you can just click on the job title. And here you have this option says edit job, add screening questions, and preview job. So click on this preview job button. And you're going to see the preview of your job. So this is how your job is going to show, or this is how it's going to be displayed when your job goes live. So this is pretty much the preview of the job that you posted on Ziprecruiter. So this is pretty much it. You can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And once you're done, you'll be good to go. It's very easy. Just go over the steps again and you're done. So I hope this tutorial marvelously helped your search.